In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your webcam not showing in OBS. If you've opened OBS and your webcam preview is just a black screen, or you're getting an error, don't worry. We'll walk through the most common things that cause this and how to fix them, step by step, so you can get back to recording or streaming. First, make sure your webcam is properly connected. If you're using an external webcam, check that the USB cable is firmly plugged into both the camera and your computer. Try a different USB port if you can, preferably one directly on your computer rather than on a hub. If it's a built-in laptop webcam, just make sure any privacy shutter is open. Next, close any programs that might already be using the camera. Apps like Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, Discord, or your system's camera app can lock the webcam so OBS can't access it. Fully quit those applications, not just minimize them. On Windows, look at the icons in the system tray and exit anything using the camera. Then reopen OBS and see if the webcam appears. Now, inside OBS, check that you've added your webcam correctly. In the sources box at the bottom, look for a video capture device source. If you don't see one, add a new video capture device and give it a clear name, like webcam. When the settings window appears, choose your webcam from the device drop-down list. If you already have a source, double-click it and confirm the correct camera is selected. While you're in that settings window, verify the resolution and frame rate. If you picked a custom resolution that your camera doesn't support, you might get a black screen. For troubleshooting, set it to Device Default, or a common resolution like 1280 by 720, and choose a standard frame rate such as 30 frames per second. If you're on Windows, also check your privacy settings. Go to your system settings, then to Privacy or Camera Settings, and make sure camera access is enabled for desktop apps, including OBS. If camera access is blocked here, OBS will never see your webcam. Finally, if nothing has worked yet, restart your computer. This resets the webcam driver and closes any hidden processes that might still be holding on to the camera. After the restart, open OBS first before launching any other apps that might use the webcam. By following these steps carefully, your webcam should now be visible in OBS and ready to use.